Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on display and click on the switcher next to adaptive brightness feature over here. As you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the switcher again. You can also go into tab menu and over here click on those three dots on the brightness slider. Then click on the switcher next to adaptive brightness, and to save your changes, tap on done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!